Hello everyone, this is Viviane Tawalibi. I'm really doing this reel at the Sunshine Coast Airport. I'm flying back today to Sydney after spending beautiful 8 days on the Sunshine Coast, a land where I belong for 20 years, more than 20 years. I came in February 2004 and I left in February, or I sold my practice in February 2025. So this message is for migrants or refugees. I feel for you because I have been in your shoes. I know you have seen a lot, you have sacrificed a lot, you have felt a lot until your feet landed wherever you are in Australia, either as a refugee or as a migrant, a skilled migrant. As a new arrival, you struggled. You struggled to put your feet on the ground. You struggled to find housing. You struggled to build new friendship. You left everything behind, and you are here on a new land trying to build everything from the ground up. It's not easy. I have been in your shoes. I know how you felt. And at that time, when I came to Australia, after 20 years serving refugees, encouraging them to integrate, encouraging them to build a new life and have hope for a bright future. When it came my turn, I struggled. Yes, I did struggle because maybe my expectation was high. I came equipped, good language, good background, achievements, Nobel Peace Prize certificate, UNESCO Peace Prize certificate, various letters from different government officials appreciating the work I have done and the policy change that I have done to help refugees and asylum seekers to integrate in new countries or new societies. For me, it was not easy, and I was hit with depression, which I never knew what is depression, but I felt the hole, I felt the darkness, and I felt hopeless because I didn't know how to start. But I sat down and I reflected on how I done it before I came to Australia. That brought me back to different lessons that I learned. And now this is it became my mission. It became my mission to help you have faith in yourself, have hope, and reach out. Now I am by far, after how many years I am in Australia, I know the system. I have been there in Sydney for more than 2 years when I established the Melkite Welfare Association in 2000, and I managed to help at that time migrants who came before me, but they were not able to find jobs or satisfaction in their career. And I developed a 6-week course on small business management, and I ran the first course funded by the immigration minister, the federal government. And after that, we launched the program. And when we launched the program, my participants or graduates had to really stand up and share who are they, when they came to Australia, what they were doing before they joined the program, why they joined the program, and what is their future plan after the program. As a result, I received a call from the State Regional Development in Parramatta, and they offered me a grant to help other communities, not only the Melkite Catholic community. And I did that. Same structure, 6 weeks course. I ran the second program, and same, the graduates had to stand up and share their experience and answer the same questions that I said before. And as a result, I have been approached by the mayor of Bankstown, who asked me if I can run the same program for Muslim women, which I did. And that reflects that people are looking for a change. People want to belong. People want to become a contributor other than just relying on the system, because that program had restored dignity, hope, and economic means. After that, unfortunately, I lost my husband, and I left Sydney. I moved to Queensland, and I became a businesswoman. I invested my money in the first medical practice. At that time, it was Colandra bulk billing surgery. I ran Colandra bulk billing surgery as a non-clinical, never worked as a medical receptionist, but I managed not only one practice, but 2 practices for more than 20 years. So today I stand for you, and I want you to reach out. I am going to announce a master class that will help you restore hope, know who you are, know the skills you have, and how you can match it either in the workforce within the Australian system, or if I will make an offer for emotional enhancement as well as economic enhancement, and the choice is yours. So stay tuned and watch my Facebook page, because that is where I am going to announce the date and the time and the topic of my master class. All the best. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Viviane Tawalibi from Future Power Academy. This Future Power Academy, it is not just a name. It is developed on the purpose and the principles to empower, inspire, and educate. All the very best. Have a great day.